hike. It's Super Bowl season, and that means it's time for fun appetizers and finger foods. I'm gonna be making a dip, and this is part of a very special collaboration hosted by my pal MVP on the go. I'm making a super simple beer dip. It's only 4 ingredients. Grab a bowl, 2 blocks of softened cream cheese. You need to grab a beer, any kind. I'm using this Rogue Hazelnut Brown Nectar, 1/3 cup. A packet of ranch salad dressing mix. Mix that together until smooth. Next, add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Stir that together, and you have yourself a dip. Beer dip. That's a great dip. Why can't you have an all-chicken football team? You'd have too many fouls.